Welcome to my channel! So hey guys, been a while the last time I posted a video. This time we're looking to have another renovation. So this will be our second project that we're looking to buy and then flip right away. So I want to show you first the look of the current unit. So as you enter, so you will see the kitchen right away. And then the toilet and bath. There you go. So we're looking to change the whole tiles actually. Kasi magkaiba sila. Oh. Pero katulad nito nung isa na ni-renovate namin. But this is a little smaller than the first one. So ganun din, kitchen. And then, ang maganda lang dito, may tiles na siya. So we're looking to put something here. Yeah. Tapos there will be the bedroom. Oh, the bedroom. I mean the bed. And this where we're gonna put yung parang cabinet. Yan, dyan. Tapos, ang maganda dito, malaki ang kanyang balcony. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Hey guys! So, today is we're gonna choose the tiles na gagamitin namin sa CR. But still, yung backsplash na nilagay namin sa condo is still the same naman. Yung pa rin nilagay namin. But, ngayon, babaguhan kasi namin yung CR ng mga tiles. So, we're gonna choose today. So, yun nga. Join me today, guys. Bye! Isa namin? Ikaw ba yun?
Sampo. Ay, hindi po.
Ay, hindi pa pala kami pala gumawa. Bakit? Okay lang yan. Yes. Okay. At least ito okay.
You need the toilet.
No? Okay. Ayan, nagawa na ito. Very good. Hey guys! So we're currently in Wilcon. So, bibili po tayo ng mga konting display already kahit hindi pa tapos yung unit. Kasi since nandito na rin kami, sayang ang panggas. So, bilhin na tayo ng mga little things. So, I'm so excited na mag-decorate na. Yun ang pinaka-favorite na part ko. Yung ayoko yun talaga yung inaayos pa lang. Pero, that's why, yeah, I can't resist but to buy mga ganito. Dito. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hey guys! So, final touch for our unit. Ganyan muna, hindi ko napakita. Pero alam niyo naman na we're doing the same old theme katulad nung last time namin sa unit. So, today, maglalagay lang kami ng mga konting decoration. We're gonna clean as well. But may mga iba akong mga item na hindi pa rin dumarating. So, once done, once everything is fully done, then I'm gonna do the final video of this second condominium unit that we're trying to sell. Thank you guys for joining. Bye! So, hey guys! Last day! So, we're gonna decors, and then I'm gonna take the final video today. Kasi I'm gonna put bedsheet pa dito. See? And then I'm gonna video the old and the new. Yeah. Thank you guys. This is our second project that I mentioned earlier. So I hope and pray by God's grace mabenda siya agad. We really need it kasi. So thank you guys for joining. Bye! That we want to teach you how. It's like something we bought online. So, stick mo na lang siya on the wall, then may headboard ka na agad. Yan. Another trick. So, same way, yung ginawa namin sa first project is the same din nung itong pangalawang project. So, pareho siya, gray pa din, basta pretty much the same. Ang kinaibahan lang nito is yung tiles. Kasi, nung binili namin to, may existing tiles na siya. So, hindi na lang namin tinagal. Ang only thing talagang binago namin is yung toilet and bath. Kasi talagang pinalitan namin yung flooring niya, saka yung wall. Kasi nga medyo old na yung tawag dito yung tiles. So, I wanna show you guys one by one yung anong ginawa namin. Thank you guys for joining! Kitchen guys, ganun pa rin. Nilagay natin siya ng parang backsplash ganyan sa likod. Tapos, may fridge na siya nung nabili natin, no? So, ayan nga. So, very, very new nung fridge na to. Kasi this was been rented out for 3 months lang. And also, let's go to the CR. So, yan. Binago namin yung flooring. The bathtub is still there. Binago lang namin yung side, even on the side here. So, talagang binago lahat. Ito retain. Pinaint lang yung kilid. Also, the sink is retain. Alright? Kasi sayang marble yan. But pinalitan natin yung toilet bowl. Yan. Saka yung wall. So, mas maganda siya compare dun sa first project namin. And then, heading here in this side. So, ito naman. So, yung sa kabila kasi, medyo inabot hanggang dun sa taas, guys. Yung pinaka-cabinet. So, ngayon, natuto na kami. Don't need to put so much there. So, ito na lang ginawa namin. Dalawang covered siya. So, he and she. Tapos, sa baba, may mga drawer. Tapos, a little decoration lang dito sa side. So, obviously, ito din, another one. Wala tayong TV. So, ang client na lang maglalagay. It can be up to 65. In this side, as you can see, yan. So, ito lang. Medyo maganda lang yung mga nabili nating bedsheet, no? Tapos, naglagay tayo ng ganito para magmukhang parang hotel. Yan. So, ganun pa rin. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Parang it remind me of the countryside. So, existing na yan, pero wood type siya. Wood talaga, pero I mean, pinaint natin siya ng white para maganda. Tapos, two-side table, tapos meron naman tayong mga, what you call this, lampshade, and then malaking wall design. And the only also good thing about this is this. Yan, meron tayong 2 HP inverter na rin na aircon. Kasi yung sa first natin, di ba, ano siya, tawag dito, naka-window type. So, tinanggal namin yun. Nilagyan namin siya ng, what you call this, split type AC. Yan. So, ayan po yung kabuuan ng ating new project. See, at ang maganda din dito, nasa second floor tayo. So, may balcony tayong medyo malaki. Sorry about the mess on that side kasi yung mga natirang paint. But I wanna market this na kasi kaya nag-video na tayo. And also good thing here, it's an open parking. So, ayan po yung lobby. So, makakapag-park ang lahat ng gustong mag-park. So, ayan siya. Sorry about the mess again. So, yeah. Tapos ito pala guys, naglagay tayo ng faucet para pwedeng lagyan dito ng washing machine kasi pwede naman ilagay doon yung tawag dito yung tube sa mga automatic washing machine. Yan. Hey guys, so here you go. Tapos na tayo sa ating tour on our second project and hope by God's grace mabenta siya agad. And also by God's grace, baka makahanap ulit tayo. By God's grace, house pagawa din ulit natin. And mabenta din agad natin. So, that's really my dream is to flip and to buy and flip, ganyan. And also, by the way, just for you to know, it took 1 month for this to all finish. So, we hired someone na lang to do it for us, hindi na si Mark, para matapos din agad. So thank you guys for joining me today. And I hope you learned something from us again. And this is really basically what I want in my life is truly to decorate and also to buy and decorate and then sell. Thank you for joining us. Ay, grabe yung gulo ng buhok. I want to say thank you and God bless you guys. Bye!